Reading fluency, words, phrases, and sentences. Let's read. Fish, a fish, a purple fish. This is a purple fish. Dog, a dog, an orange dog. This is an orange dog. Snake, a snake, a green snake. This is a green snake. Bell, a bell, a blue bell. This is a blue bell. Bee, a bee, a yellow bee. This is a yellow bee. Flower, a flower, a red flower. This is a red flower. Octopus, an octopus, a purple octopus. This is a purple octopus. Bear, a bear, a brown bear. This is a brown bear. Spider, a spider, a black spider. This is a black spider. Owl, an owl, a pink owl. This is a pink owl. Duck, a duck, a yellow duck. This is a yellow duck. Book, a book, a green book. This is a green book. Hat, a hat, a blue hat. This is a blue hat. Cat, a cat, a black cat. This is a black cat. Dress, a dress, a red dress. This is a red dress. Bag, a bag, a pink bag. This is a pink bag. Bird, a bird, a yellow bird. This is a yellow bird. Bat, a bat, a black bat. This is a black bat. Leaf, a leaf, a green leaf. This is a green leaf. Mask, a mask, a purple mask. This is a purple mask. Jacket, a jacket, a red jacket. This is a red jacket. Bus, a bus, an orange bus. This is an orange bus. Table, a table, a brown table. This is a brown table. car, a car, a red car. This is a red car. Corn, a corn, a yellow corn. This is a yellow corn. Mug, a mug, a blue mug. This is a blue mug. Continue practicing, my dear kids, and you will be the best reader. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.